would like to appreciate the entire team who have taken your efforts. You have for investing in 8 days, and as it is already explained by your teammate. So wonderful work. I request all the people to encourage and appreciate for the team. They have done a good work. The question here is, I just want to go ahead. You have taken a theme as Khadi, right?
Yes, sir.
We have seen all the fabrics on Khadi, like the material was stitched and then draped. All this is fine. I just want to know about the color. What about the color? You have any themes or anything you have chosen, or how come you got inspired with? Because you have used various colors here. I can see the majority can be green, somewhat dark black or white. Apart from that, the one and red. Can you explain on this? The other one is also purple color. So, do you have any relation to that with your team?
First thing is, sir, every garments are 100% Khadi. Every Khadi garment is naturally dyed yarns. In each of the garments, the yarn used are naturally dyed. Green colors are used for the nature look, sir. It actually resembles the nature. While this red, especially which you have asked, resembles a royal look. We can also use Khadi fabric into bridal wears. So we have shown it has bridal wear, sir. The red resembles, we can give it as a bridal wear, party wear. Everything we have given here, sir.
So fine, but do you have any specific reason, because team? So whenever all the garments should be same kind of a color theme. I can see some of them like in a green that is matching. Seems like few people are odd out here. Excuse me, can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
It's like the red one or the purple one are like odd out here. That is what, nothing else. Excellent performance done. So I just want some more explanation from your end to justify why red and the purple colors are used here. Who are in the green color, that won't be an issue. The other, can you explain the colors?
See, the question is why it is not in the same family. Simple.
Because it is a forecast and color, ma'am.
But when you make a ramp walk and you make a collection, it should be coordinated well. That's it. And totally, we loved your attitude, and the whole team performed so well. Can you justify on this question alone the color coordination?
Because red resembles, here in the fashion show, it is a forecast and color. Like it is a peculiar, to show it unique, we have used here different color rather than other garments. To show it unique, we have used
Purple, violet, lavender.
Violet gives a royal look, ma'am. They have paired. The theme has been paired here.
Okay. Thank you.